You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this capital city of Kyrgyzstan. If you want to learn more capital city names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you want to listen to and learn from. Bishkek is the local pronunciation, also how it's pronounced in English. Bishkek. You want to stress on that second kek syllable. It's not Bishkek, rather Bishkek. How to pronounce Bishkek. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.